Hello guys, this is Thelias and I am here with a brand new video. In this video I am going to tell you how can you get articles from more than one website in one place. So let's get it. And then install a app called Feedly from Play Store and sign up. And here you will get option like Google, Facebook or email. And then go back to Chrome, a browser, and type the URL feedly.com and then log in and scroll down. And here you can see a create new feed. Click on that and create a feed. Now save it. Now remove the feedly from the recent and now relaunch it. And here you can see the icon. Click on that icon in the bottom, plus icon, and paste the URL that you want the articles from that website, or search it here. Now click on the plus icon and click on the section that you have created, and you can create a lot of sections if you want. Now come here, and if you click on all, then you will get news articles from every single section. But if you want news article from a particular section, then click on the particular section, and here you will get feature like night mode. If you want to read articles from a web browser, then click on no. And if you want to read news articles from your chosen web browser, then click on external. Hope this video is helpful for you. Hit the subscribe and bell icon. Share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching this video and stay tuned.